Using Vicks VapoRub is treatment for cough and muscle aches. Before starting the video, subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get engaged with our community. So let's start. Vicks VapoRub is a topical cough medication that is applied to the skin to treat coughs, and applied to muscles to relieve aches and pain. Both symptoms are frequently caused by the common cold. There is no documented evidence that it actually alleviates respiratory symptoms, although it may provide the sensation of relief. As a relief for sore muscles, it definitely does provide symptomatic relief. There are other unconventional ways people use Vicks VapoRub, including using it as a remedy for toenail fungus and even hemorrhoids. These off-label uses have not been well studied or approved by the FDA and may be dangerous. Who can use Vicks VapoRub? Most people over the age of 2 can safely use Vicks VapoRub. However, you should consult a doctor before using Vicks VapoRub if you are pregnant or breastfeeding, if you have a chronic cough caused by smoking, or if you have been diagnosed with emphysema. You should not use Vicks VapoRub if you have ever had an allergic reaction to any of the ingredients in Vicks VapoRub, including camphor, eucalyptus oil, or menthol. Vicks VapoRub should never be used by a child under the age of 2. If you have any question, please comment below. Think this was really helpful to you, so do like and share. Thanks for watching this video, subscribe our channel.